Hi everyone, welcome to the maths class. Today's topic is factorization. In today's session, we are going to use some easy ways in finding the factors for the algebraic expression, and also we are going to learn in using algebraic identities for finding the factors. The first problem is factorize 12ab minus 8b plus 6 minus 9a. The first step is check if there is any common factor among all the terms. If there is nothing, then step 2, think of grouping. Why? Because two terms we can group it. Notice that first two terms have a common factor. First two terms is 12ab and 8b having the common factor of 4b. 12ab minus 8b we will written as 4b into 3a minus 4b into 2. In these two terms, 4b is the common factor, bracket 3a minus 2. What about the last two terms? Observe them. If you change the order, what is the order? Plus 6 minus 9a will be written as minus 9a plus 6. We may get the same factor. Minus 9a plus 6 is equal to minus 3 into 3a. 6 will be written as 3 into 2. We are taking minus 3 as the common. 3a minus 2. This is the expression number 2. In the first expression we got 3a minus 2. In the second equation also we got 3a minus 2. Step 3, putting 1 and 2 together. 12ab minus 8b plus 6 minus 9a will be written as 12ab minus 8b minus 9a plus 6. For the first two terms, 4b into 3a minus 2 minus 3 into 3a minus 2. In these two terms, 3a minus 2 is the common. 4b minus 3, we got the factor. The factors of 12ab minus 8b plus 6 minus 9a are 3a minus 2 and 4b minus 3. Factorize using algebraic identities. We need to by heart all the formulas. Unless and until by heart, it is very difficult for us to identify which algebraic identities we have to use. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. A minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. A plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. A plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2aca. A plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. A minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. You can see the difference when there is a minus. Alternative terms are negative. A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. A minus b whole cube is equal to, you can see the difference here. Okay, a plus b will become a minus b. A square minus ab plus b square will become a square plus ab minus b square plus b square. Sorry. A power 4 minus b power 4 is equal to a minus b into a plus b into a square plus b square. If an algebraic expression has the form that fits the RHS of any one of the identities, these are the RHS. These are the RHS. Then the expression on the LHS corresponding to the RHS. Suppose if the expression is in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab, then corresponding LHS. This is the LHS. gives the desired factors for the expression, algebraic expression. Factorize x square minus 2xy plus y square minus z square. Step 1, the first three terms of the above expression form a minus b whole square. Step 2, fourth term is a square. Here is also square, this is also square. So the expression can be reduced to a difference between two squares. Step 1, x square minus 2x plus y square minus z square. We are putting a bracket over here so that it will form as ax minus y whole square minus z square. X square minus 2xy plus y square becomes x minus y whole square minus as it is, z square will become z square as it is. Step 2, x square minus 2x plus y square minus z square is equal to x minus y whole square minus z square. This is in the form of a square minus b square. So x minus y plus z into x minus y minus z. So we are opening the brackets x minus y plus z and x minus y minus z. I hope you understand the session. If you find any difficulties, I will come up with another examples in the coming sessions. We will find some more ways to solve the problems. Thank you so much.